Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Broke Misfits. We're gonna have probably a two-part video, maybe not, maybe we're gonna have just two things all in one video. But let me tell you what today's plan is. And let me take you out to my truck so we can talk about part two of that. There she is. So there's CJ. The second thing that is on today's agenda is to put the leveling kit on my truck here and do the wheels and tires. And we just went and dropped off the wheels and tires, so you guys will see that. But we went and dropped them off to get mounted and everything and balanced. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on the leveling kit first, and then jump on the excursion, and then maybe a little party time tonight. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Check out our Instagram, check out Xander's Instagram, check out CJ's Instagram, just check it all out. So let's get going. All right guys, don't freak out. I'm not nervous, you're not nervous. Just tearing apart the truck, no big deal. Yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, so, oh shoot, we got that unhooked here. That nut is off. This is off too. Do we need to pop that out? Yep. Do we already have a mallet? Or, oh, what? Same thing there?
Same thing here. Actually, turn the wheel first. What's up? Just need to...
Just need to blow off the dog. There you go.
Now, these bolts.
Don't think we'll have to.
No, these bolts are here and those bolts.
Okay.
And then we should be able to push this down
Okay.
and pull that out of the way.
These are the same,
Yeah,
but they're not. Around 18 right here. Oh shoot. There you go, baby. Okay.
What's Josh building now? For somebody to build a GM.
That is okay. So apparently, you just gotta go right here. You don't even gotta. I doubt this is a good shot. This is probably not good. I think we need to go back to the handheld because my head's like.
No, you can see it. It's like first person view.
Can you see it?
Yep.
This isn't the right size.
No.
Needs to be bigger, yeah.
So,
The gear's blowing out on this thing anyways. Cold out there?
There's an 18. It's not there.
That's not, what? What kind of, oh, there we go. Ooh.
Here is a ratchet wrench 18 though. So if you break them loose, you can use that. I'd break them loose with this.
Really? It wasn't too bad.
No, they weren't too bad.
I'll break them loose. I'll break them loose. Yeah, that wasn't bad. I was just making a lot of noise. Make it seem like I was doing something hard. There's probably 3, 8. Oh yeah, there's one in the back there. Oh shoot. Where is it at? Oh yeah. Feeling it. Are you feeling it, Mr. Krabs? All right. Okay guys, so we ended up having to take that nut out there to be able to disconnect this to get enough room to drop that shock out. So now there's the spacer on it, bolt it together, put it back on.
Weld it in.
Gotcha. Okay guys, back in. Leveling kit. Everything's just snugging right up. Okay, so guys, if you are doing a 2021 Power Boost here on the passenger side, if you're doing a leveling kit on that, on the passenger side, there's a little bracket up in here that is covering, oh, you can see it actually perfectly. That's covering that third nut that you're gonna have to take off. So we're gonna try and just pry that up. Just wanted to give you a heads up in case you are doing this. All right guys, here are the wheels. I'm gonna throw them on real quick because turns out they gotta, what do they gotta do to the sensors?
Program.
They gotta program them, so we gotta throw them on real quick and get it back to discount ASAP so they can program them. Oh my goodness. We'll get her outside and get a better shot here. Okay. Okay guys, done with that. Truck looks good. I had to bang, there's the stock ones. I had to bang a few clearance things just so you guys know if you guys want to run 35s on your 2021. I had a 45 this, hit a couple things with a hammer, cut back here a little bit. Doesn't rub at all now, so very happy. Looks awesome, looks sick. I had to run 35s, that's what I wanted, and I'm very happy that it doesn't rub at all either, because you know, brand new truck, you don't want to be rubbing. But now we're gonna get to CJ's project, so let's head in here. Oh shit, spicy. All right, I'm here.